Bradley. Draed cyflym hi bod 2 chwaraewr Aberystwyth. Mae Ceisio mynd i bio'r trydydd. Mlaen i Amis, doedd ddim yn cam sefyll. Amis ar ergyd, yr arbediad. A'i draed yn odidog gan Conor Roberts. Ac Amis ar cyfla. Ond yr arbediad yn wych gan Roberts i nadur y welwyr fynd ar y blaen. Bas i Amis, mae'n ei dda hefyd. Howard i'r chwith, Cydwalyd yn y canol. Mae Clark ar ras allan i Conor Howard sy'n torri mewn ar ei droed de. Mynd yn heibio i Bradford mewn y cwrs. Cosby! Oedd hi ar y llinell gan Lee Jenkins y capten. Waith arwrol gan Jenkins. Folks ymlaen tuag at Howard. Ar ôl beniad i Amis, Amis rhwng y ddau yn o'r canol. Josh Amis yn plannu'r bel, heibio i Conor Roberts. A mae'r Fflint di mynd ar y blaen. Mae misgwr oedd ei gynta yn y gyngrair Nosfawrth. Mae wedi cael ei ail yma heno ar goedlan y parc. Dim gobaith i Conor Roberts. Aberystwyth dim, y Fflint 1. Thorn. Tro mae'n mynd yn fyr i Jack Rimmer nôl allan i Jack Thorn a lew. Di'r cwrt Cosby. Thorn math yn ôl i Jimmy Fiel. O'na lawio fanna. O, ni'n meddwl fanna lawio gan Josh Amis. Na, mae'n ar dyfarnwr. Mae dal gan Franklin. Groesia dim tuag at y postyn pella. Jonathan Evans, arbediad wych. Ond cyn y cyfle Evans, mi oedden nhw'n hawlio cic o'r smotyn. A nath Amis lawio hwnna. Na, mae'n ar dyfarnwr Alex Livesey.
In the end, it became a grind to see out the result because Aber came strong at us in the last 15 minutes after we scored. But I thought the overall performance from us today was really a top-level performance from us. I don't think there was much difference from the performance on Tuesday night where we ended up winning 5-0. I thought we created equally as many chances, especially first half. And if we'd have been a little bit more clinical, then probably the scoreline would have been a bit easier for us and would have enabled us to manage the game a little bit better in the second half. But credit to the lads because, like you say, Aberystwyth is a very difficult place to come. They're fighting for every point and they've been a lot better since the restart. So we were very much aware that it was going to be a difficult game for us. And anytime you come to Aberystwyth and go away with 3 points, you've got to be extremely happy.
I ddweud y gwir, fedra ni'n gofyn dim mwy amdan yr egni i mewn i'r tîm. Blaw, jyst yn anffodus ar y funud, does am byd yn disgyn ni yn y bocs i ni. Ia, da ni gyd siomedig, fel da ni'n gwybod, yn tair gêm nawr, a rhaid i ni symud ymlaen wedyn i gêm Noswaith.